to extort.
VPP MLA from Nongkrem constituency Ardent today slammed the few MLAs who are continuously insinuating the party for raising the issue of MPSC. While moving the call attention motion on to the issue of nepotism of the MPSC in the Assembly, he said that the party is not misleading the job seekers as being insinuated by few members of this House. He said that these MLAs must learn to accept defeat gracefully and respect the mandate of the people. According to him, this continuous insinuation against the party is undermining the will of the people.
I would also like to convey a very clear and loud message to all those who are insinuating us, the boys of the People Party, that we are raising this issue of MPSC not to hoodwink or to mislead the job seekers, as being insinuated by few members of this August House.